Okay. Sorry, student. Okay. Okay. Student, I request those who don't have to install the Python, they have to install the Windows, that is Python version 3.8.6 web-based installer. Just click on that. The exe file will be download, and just double click on this file. I am not clicking because I already installed here. So I think so those who have to attend the Python workshop before 2 to 3 days, they all are installed this Python, I think so. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Remaining student, I request all of you to today Dhumai madam will be send the one of the link. You have to register on that link and share the screenshot. Remaining student, the 7 student, those who have to previously register, they don't register repeatedly. Remaining student, you have to register. Okay, and share your screenshot on the group, and you have to join the WhatsApp group also. That madam have to share sometime. Madam will be share after registration. You have to join that group, WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So so you have to install the Python ideally. Okay. So actually, due to the some of the issue, it lecture will be actually with the two parts of means dividation. So now we will move to the next point. So I request all of you just install the Python ideally. Actually, first chapter will be a just simply introduction. In this, there will be a no any program. So next point is a program execution. Means what? How to execute the simple means a program in Python. Okay, just simply. So here I will open the ideally, and I will tell how to execute the program. Okay. Actually, the theory part is there for your reference only. How to execute program? Simply, this will be the Python ideally. After successful installation of Python, this window will be opened. Okay. So suppose here I write print in bracket hello. Okay, and just click on the enter. My output will be here. This will be the program execution. This will be a what my program execution. We have another way, like we want to save our program. So just click on here file option. You have to select new file. So this window will be a occur. So here just I write a print. Okay, hello. Okay, and after that you have need to save first program. So this program will be saved where you have to install your Python. Means what? You have to see here the path. Means what? The location where your program is saved. Here I write first. Okay. And how to run? Just click on the here. Run button is there. Click on run and click on the run module. So you have to see here the output. It will be the another way to execute our program. Okay. How to execute program? Everyone understood? Just simply if your program is with a
Yes,
single
ma'am.
line, you have to directly run on the ideally. If you our program is with a many lines, you have to use the new file, and just here run option is there, and you have to run the module. Okay, it will be the program execution. So you have to see here the figure. Actually it will be uh, the figure will be shows that how in a how inside means what front end, or we call it as a front end and back end. So how back end our program will be run, like the structure will be there. Like first our Python program is there here, source code. After that it will be compiled, it will be created converted into the byte code. Byte code means what is a here machine code, that is in the 01 format. Here in our computer means what here our output will be a display. Okay, this will be a simple here. It will be need to explain the all the theory part. It need
No, ma'am.
no.
No,
So
ma'am.
okay, so it will be the program, simply program how to execute the program. So here simple code is there. Okay, here we are having another one more way, that is a prompt command line execution means what CMD prompt. Okay, so just first like press a Windows R. Okay, and you have to after Windows R you have to write the CMD here. Press Windows button means Windows button R, and write here command prompt. So this will be this window will be our CMD window, command prompt window. Like this you have to see here the figure, that will be like same. Okay, so how to execute program on here? So first of all we need to set the path. So how to set the path? First of all write the cd and your path of your program. So how to find our path? So just click on the save button, or like open button, save as button. Okay, so you have to just copy here path, like a copy. I will copy this path, okay, and just paste the path here and click it. So our program, the program which we want to execute, that will be here. So at the time of execution, you write first a py. Py means it is a Python extension, first dot py, and just click on the enter. Okay, how to execute program on command prompt? Just first of all set the path. After that py our program name dot py. You have to see here the result. Okay, so it will be the execution of the Python interpreter. So understand how to execute program on command prompt. Just py and our file name. Okay, so all of you understood how to execute program on the command prompt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next it will be the scripting model. Scripting model means what? The way that I told you, that means what we want to save our program, so that's why we are opening new file. Means what? By using a new file option, we called it as a scripting model. We are having two types of model. One is a command prompt execution, and another is a scripting. Scripting means what? This window, that is a new window that we want to create. You have to see here, I will write here steps. Okay, for that I already told. So everyone understand two different ways of how to we have to execute our program.
Yes, ma'am.
uh, can anyone tell which two way we have to execute our program?
First, the command prompt, and second is script mode.
So can I tell how to open the script mode? How to open the scripting mode? So I will tell once again how to open a scripting mode. So you know that this will be your ideally window. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just just click on file option that will be in the upper side. Okay, just click on the file and click on the new. Click on the new option. It will be our scripting mode. It will be our scripting mode. Here I write print hello. Here I write the print hello. After writing our code, you don't forget to save your program. You don't forget to save your program. Okay. Okay. And after saving, you have to click on the run and run module. So it will be the your out. Okay. So it will be the way, means you have to write your program in the separate file, and that program you have to run. It is called as a scripting mode. Okay. Understood how to open the scripting mode?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So installation, so this will be the basic introduction of Python programming language. Okay. So here some of the basic assignment questions are there, means after installation of Python, this will be the simple programs, how to means work on the or how to execute our Python program like that. So it will be the just a simply introduction or a simple program. So this will be the end of first chapter. Actually, first chapter will be a very small chapter. So any doubt with any point, just it will be the, I think so, introductory part. Any doubt, you have to ask.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
What?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay. Remaining student, I think so only 2 or 3 students will be giving the
No,
answers.
ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt, no
Okay.
doubt.
No
If-
doubt, ma'am.
if-
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
If you
ma'am.
okay, okay. If any doubt is there, you have a I think so every day 2 hours Python training will be there. Okay. So you have to ask that person also, because that will be the industry person. I think so. Some of the students are attending that sessions. They know that how much good sessions are there going on. So the students, those who have to miss their sessions, previous session, we will provide the YouTube, or we have to provide the recorded link to you definitely. Okay. So you have to write down these all questions, and you have to make the program of this question. And I will ask in next lecture. You have to, that time you have to share your programs with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You have to take the screenshot of this window. No issue about that. Okay. So you all are got the roll numbers.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, no.
No.
Okay, so I will take the screenshot of current window, means participation window, that will be considered as a your presentee. Okay, and one more request, you have to create you all one DSY Python programming group. Okay, so it will be good for you.